Tools and materials. Tape measure. French curve. Ruler. Marker for demo use only. Pencil and WITN eraser. Tracing wheel. Carbon paper or tracing paper. A pair of scissors. Pattern paper. Procedure. 1. Fold the pattern paper in 2 halves, with the center fold at the left side. Mark the center fold. Write actual body measurements, ABM, correctly and compute the measurements, CM. From line A, draw a diagonal line equal to 1/2 of armhole measurement to locate point B. Measure using 1/2 of lower arm girth from B to locate E. Connect points D and E with a line. Measure 1 inch to the right to locate F. Divide line A, D into 3 equal parts. Label the points G and H. Observe how line AD is divided into equal parts. From points G and H, draw lines perpendicular to line AD. Make sure each line forms a 90 degrees angle. From points G, measure 1/2 inch upward to locate point G1. From G1, measure 1/4 inch to locate G2. From points H, measure 1/2 inch downward to locate point H1. From points H, measure 1/4 inch upward to locate point H2. One inch. Remember, there are 8 1/8 and 4 1/4 in an inch. Shaping the armhole. Take note of how the armhole is shaped. Shaping the front part of the armhole. Shape the back part of the armhole. Trace the front armhole, lines BE and DE. Apply allowances. Measure 1/2 inch from the back armhole. Measure 3/4 inch from line DE. Measure 1 1/4 inch from line BE. Open the pattern and apply allowance at the front armhole. Cut along line BE, making sure to include the other half. Fold along line BE, and cut line ED. Make sure to include the folded allowance of line BE. Open the pattern and cut along the cut edge of the armhole. Mark the pattern front and back.